Hey, sorry, I just realized that this document that I made, it's not creating a copy for everyone, so I'm gonna remind you how to create your own. And all you have to do is go up here to add or create, select, go down to docs, and then you can create your own. Once that loads, you would click on it, type your paper, whatever the date is. India Opal is a girl and she looks blank. And you're going to tell me all the things you need to list when you're speaking about character. So the way that they look, the way that they think, the way that they feel, and the way that they act. And if you notice up here it says turn in, that's what you do when you're done. So sorry about the confusion. I will get through this. Hope this video helps.